Grace Care Mission. Welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Care Mission. For my returning subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Some live from the village. You can see the day. These are the dry stems of corn. But here, what has brought me here are these. This is finger millet. Finger millet, as you can see. This is where, if you have feasters, and you have finger millet is very expensive. If you are outside there, you know very well. Like now 2 kg, it is 300, maybe 280. But here, and you have to be careful. If you like this one here, has planted all over from there, like you see how far that's from. Oh, this through here, it is finger millet. But then I know that the production is very good when you see it like this. Yeah, when you see it like this. But you have to keep away from the, see how it is. Yeah. This one now you can eat it. But it is a it is a green. When it you have to pluck it with a knife like this one here. Maybe I'll do another video on plucking the finger millet, and maybe it is a tiresome like work, and even planting is also tiresome. So if you are outside there, come and subscribe to this channel here, bringing more amazing videos from the village here. Yo, thank you. Gracias. You know, when you have the finger millet, actually the time now we are waiting for it to get ready, like this December now. I think it is going to get ready because we don't need to do anything now, only that we are going to do the harvesting. There is nothing we are going to do here, only the harvesting. Even the weeds are here, but we don't need to remove any weeds. All we have to do is just when it is dry, we are going only to come and harvest. And the harvest, you have to look for some people to come and assist you. You will not finish this job all alone. You have to do it with someone. So that's what I was going to show you. Maybe one day I'll have to show you how we are going to do it. So hope you enjoyed the video. From outside there, go and share my video. If you have a community, share me so that we may get a lot of subscribers. Continue assisting me, otherwise I'm not complaining. Your love, also your love, also my love is your strength. From outside there, let's continue supporting each other. Thank you. So guys, here also I love to show you like see it's very high. That's why I'm using this dry stem here. Oh, this is a green banana here because like this one here, I think it is you can buy it like 500 shillings. 500 shillings. Imagine 500 shillings. If you have like this one at your garden, you know that you are keeping a stuff that is going to give you the best needs. Like if you want to eat it, you can sell it some money and buy like unga, because unga nowadays, like yes, look and get someone having like this, but and it doesn't, maybe she doesn't want to eat the banana, she will buy unga and cook ugari. Yeah, ugari, that is the African food, like, yeah. So we'll have to go around the garden and see how it is, because it's a lot, like. So I'll have to show you around, like, and maybe you will drop us a comment if this is how your garden looks. This is African village garden. I don't know whether outside there, this is the, if this place is like yours, but then drop a comment. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, don't continue watching and you have not subscribed, go do it, so that we're heading to 2,000 subscribers. And I've stayed like there, like I don't know, I don't want to count, but then don't forget to subscribe to this channel here. Actually, I'm trying, go support me. Yeah.
Amani taikobe kwa.
Hello guys, today we are going to cook ugari. Usually ugari here at the village, you have to use the cooking stick and the flour, and also you have to make sure the water is boiled, as you see here. As soon as the water boils, you add the flour. This is a corn flour. Yeah, we add corn flour. Corn flour, and then after adding corn flour, we stir a little bit and leave it to more like this, and then you leave it to boil like some time, and then you will start cooking. Yeah. So like this. Mango side. No. At least calling. It's not really. But don't remember it. So the fire is too much, so I have to reduce the fire. Like I have to reduce the firewood. Put it on. after making the dough with the ugari, like we have to cover it with this one here so that it will remain hot. When you are going to remove it, like it will be hot, very hot. That's why. So you have to remove it like that, and then you place it on the. That's where we put it like that. So it is ready. So we have to cook another thing. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give it a like. Also go and look. There's where I cooked the other ugari. Maybe you can go and watch the video. It's very much amazing when you cook with firewood.